What's going on YouTube, y'all? Dick and Pam. I am frying some chicken. Got the chicken on. Cooking dinner a little late. Got my chicken going. I got my fries going. It's looking pretty good. I hope everybody had a good day today. You know, I've lived a blessed life even though I have a hard time. I'm glad I got my daughter here to keep me kind of sane because I've been going through a lot of things since I've been retired because of my health. But you gotta stay prayed up and you gotta stay focused. Sometimes you gotta say the devil is a lie, you are gonna make it. Alright YouTube, I am back and the first set of fries already, I'm gonna get them out. These are some good fries, I'm gonna show them to you in a minute. McDonald's ain't got french fries like these. I don't know about y'all, but I season my fries before I cook them. First batch of fries. We'll give me another one ready. Chicken is almost. One thing about your chicken, keep it evenly turned over. Make sure you turn each one of them over together. I like a golden brown. I'll show y'all in a minute. We'll show y'all in a minute. First batch of chicken is looking good, y'all. Uh-oh, I got company. She hungry, y'all. She hungry. My baby hungry. You better not drink that coffee. You be up all night. Chicken be ready in a minute. You get the first batch of this bread. Fresh fries, fresh chicken. Alright, I let all the grease drip off of my fries. I'm going to transfer them over to a pan. Well, when people get off work, when the household get off work, the food is on the table. All they got to do, fix them a plate, get up, and gone. No hanging out in the kitchen making it worse than what it is. Your food is out, eat, get your ass on. Hey, my baby. Hey. Alright, that's the last of the fries. They are ready. I'm finna get ready to pour my first batch of chicken off. Y'all give me a drum roll. Y'all don't laugh at my chicken now. One of the best things you can do is make sure your chicken is not greasy before you put it on service. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me and for my support for my channel. It's growing each and every day. I get new subscribers every day. A couple of videos that's gone viral, but I'm still not monetized, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Y'all just stay safe. Take care of yourself. I am out. I gotta finish this chicken.